friends, it is running Kimono. So I did go to Walgreens today and I did a couple of deals. So that was perfect. And then I got some coupon mail. We're gonna go through this in a quick second. If you're interested in getting inserts, my friend's information is in the notes. Her name is Sandra, she's from California. And I think she sent these out on Saturday and they got here today, which is Tuesday. And then over at Rite Aid, we have when you spend $50, you get $15 back in bonus cash. This transaction was done on my husband's card, and then this was done on my store card. So I'm gonna go through this for you guys, how I did the deals. I know a lot of you are kind of wondering what I'm gonna do at Rite Aid this week, and this is what I did. And a quick weather report for you guys. It's about 50 degrees outside today, so kind of a cooler one. Hi to my mom if she's watching, and hi to everybody too. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Okay, so the first store we're gonna talk about is Walgreens, because I know that's why the majority of you are here, is just for this one little store. So the first little deal that I did was to get the Dollar Dove. And so for this specific deal, these are 2 for $12. We have a BOGO free from the savings insert of April the 18th. You would use one of those. Now I used $5 in Walgreens cash, so I paid $1 plus the tax, and then I got back a $4 store coupon. Store coupon. It's not a register reward, it is a store coupon. I made a video last week on that. I will link it at the very end if you want to watch it, the difference between a store coupon and a register reward. So just be careful when using that if you were going to use it in a spend deal. So I did it in transaction 1, and then I just did it again, and I got my store coupon twice, and very happy with that. And I always opt for the sensitive skin, and just when you're cleaning your sensitive areas, sometimes this is the absolute best. And I'm not a Dove fan, but if it's a buck, I'm totally about that. Okay, so I did utilize one of my store coupons. Look at these rolls. You guys know I am like obsessed with freaking toilet paper. So Mr. Quilted Northern is $4.99. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, plus I have a $4 store coupon. And guess what? The store coupon is like an IVC, so I don't need a filler item for this. Haha. $4.99, subtracting that 50-cent digital and the $4 store coupon, I paid 49 cents for this guy. I still have one store coupon from that. I might just grab another one tomorrow or something like that, because check out these rolls. I mean, they're not fooling around with that. And the flip from this to that worked perfectly. I know some of you will probably be wondering about that. So it worked out beautifully for me, and that was Walgreens today. Before we head over to Rite Aid, we're going to talk really quickly about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box, guys. I have been with them for about 3 years. Greatest food, about 10 steps above Applebee's. If you guys are interested, for new signups only, I have a $40 coupon in the notes, so you would pay $20 with the shipping included to get 3 amazing meals. And if you want to just do a one and done, you would order that first one and then just deactivate your account or put it on pause. And they send you all the ingredients along with the instructions on how to cook these meals. So I mean, it's just a terrific service. I am really trying to stay out of grocery stores like Meijer with the pandemic going on. Everything's sent to your house, like every little ingredient. We're eating really good and we're staying home and staying safe. So I absolutely love HelloFresh, and especially with the last year with the pandemic, it's just so nice to get this every week. So if you guys are interested and if you're food motivated like me, check out that link in the notes. Guys, so now we're over at Rite Aid, and I want to give a very large shout out to 2 couponers, Ravi and Super Simple Saver. Go and check out both of their channels and go and subscribe. These two really are great at putting out videos on Sunday. sometimes when there's so many deals going on, I get really overwhelmed myself. I don't know if you guys are the same way. Like, you just don't know where to start because there's an endless amount of deals and an endless amount of things that you can do over at Rite Aid this week with that spend 50, get $15 in bonus cash. So they are really good at just itemizing things, and I think they're both fantastic, and I appreciate both of them because there's no way, guys, I would be able to come up with deals if it wasn't for both of them. So thank you to both Ravi and Super Simple Saver, aka Julie. She knows what that's about. Okay, so the first little basket that we have is on my husband's store card. So I'm just gonna jog you through what I grabbed. I found one of these Dial body washes in the clearance section, this guy, and $1.62. We have a $1 coupon from last weekend's savings, making it 62 cents. Now hold on to your hat for a second. There's a dollar IBOTTA rebate, so it made it free plus a money maker. Sadly, I could only find one of these at my store, so meh. And then with the Vino, this is also another fire deal this week. When you spend $25 on a Vino products, you get back 10 bucks. So what I did, guys, was the lotions, $9.94 for the first. The second one is $4.74. I think we have either a $2 or $3 coupon on coupons.com. And then for the body wash, $7.99 for the first and $3.99 for the second. I think these ones have a $2 coupon on coupons.com. So you would need 2 printables, and pairing it with this deal, it's really fantastic. So also in the basket, I grabbed 5 of these Starbucks drinks. Now, for whatever reason, they were tagged 2 for $6, but they rang up gold price for me, guys. So I had to grab 5 of them for $12.75. And then when you buy $12 of this product, you get back $3 of bonus cash. So, hey, I'm not gonna complain about that one. And I do like the Starbucks Mocha one. And then the last item that I grabbed was 4 of these Bit Comfort 3s. This is a monthly promotion, but I didn't even do it. These guys are $3.59 with my gold discount. So for 4 of them, that's $14.36. So the deal here is, guys, I'm trying to get my basket to 50 bucks, and this is all of the beautiful merchandise I have for this one. So it was a total of $54.94. I got the cashier to scan the email coupon, which is, you know, $15 back when you spend 50, and I did qualify for that. And then I had 4 $3 coupons from the flyer off of these. And that's a flyer coupon, so that's really fantastic. I think Ravi said it's a manufacturer, so boom, there's that. And then I had a $1 coupon from the savings insert for that. And then I had both the $3 and the $2 for the Aveeno. Starbucks, I didn't have any coupons for that. So after all of my coupons scanned perfectly, I paid $31.94 in bonus cash. I had it on my store card. And then I got back 32 bucks, guys. Okay, I got back 15 for the basket. I got back 10 for Aveeno, I got back 4 for the Bic, and then 3 for the Starbucks. Plus, I also got back $1 from IBOTTA for this. So this was free plus a $1.06 moneymaker, and I am all about that, and that is terrific. Up with another deal, I might grab some more Aveeno, and then also the 9-element, both of the trigger sprays and the dish soap, and then the detergent. I might try and do a deal with that along with Aveeno, like something easier. But what a great little dealio. Okay, on my second store card, I just did this little deal. I just got kind of a repeat of the Aveeno, 2 body washes and 2 lotions. I got 1 razor, and then I got $30 of CoverGirl cosmetics. How this is working with the CoverGirl, it's on a buy one, get one 50% off, and then when you buy $30, you get back 10. So a couple little promotions working here. So just to jog through the math again, we have $26.21 of the Aveeno. We have $31.45 of the CoverGirl, and then we have this little orphan for $3.59. So the basket for all of this was $61.25. I got the cashier to scan the spend 50, get back 15, and then I had the coupons.com Aveeno coupons, Plus I had 6 from the Smart Source of April the 11th for the CoverGirl. So 6 eye makeup coupons. And I'll tell you something, I was not thrilled about getting this little disaster. I have so many of these and I hate buying this product. I don't know about you guys, but I am sick of this guy. So anyhow, and then I also had a $3 in ad for this. So after all of the coupons, it was $30.24. I had bonus cash on this card that I just rolled. And then I got back 36, 15 for the basket, $1 for the Bic, $10 for the CoverGirl, and $10 for the Aveeno, making this one a $5.75 money maker. So there is nothing wrong with that. So loving. I think I might do the coffee deal on this card and just get a ragtag of some more stuff, more Aveeno probably. And on this one, I might just grab some of the 9 elements, or I might do 9 elements and then more Aveeno on this store card. I'll have to figure something out, but loving these deals, and I'm finding it, again, it's kind of overwhelming this week because there's so many deals that you can do. Both Ravi and Super Simple. I'll link their channels in the notes if you want to go and follow them. They have just a ton of different deals, and I think you'll love both of their channels. They're both terrific people. The thing that we're gonna do is look at some inserts. These are from my friend Sandra out of California. She sent them on Saturday, and here it is Tuesday. They got to my doorstep. The first one is a Unilever. I do talk quite a bit, so we'll just cruise through this very quickly. So a lot of these are valid till May the 1st. This is the one that I used at Walgreens. So I probably can do a couple other deals too, eh guys? I'll have to figure that out. And here is a savings insert, formerly known as the Retail Me Not. Now it's savings. I think there might be a vitamin deal too over at Rite Aid, so I might have to check that out. This is the one that I also used at Rite Aid today. Okay, the last one that we have is a Smart Source, and then we're gonna go take a peek at her price board. Okay guys, let's go take a look at the price board.
Okay guys, so this is what we have. The inserts I just showed you, 5 of each with the shipping included, 10 of each, 22. Her link tree and all of her information, if you want to send her an old-fashioned email, is all listed in the notes. And I think this weekend she's supposed to be getting the May P&G. So if that might interest you, you might want to follow her YouTube or Instagram. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye guys.